Alright guys, check this split window bus out here. This thing is unreal. On hydraulics. I got these cool custom additions on the bumpers. A lot of work right there, boys. The only thing throwing me off is the blue steering wheel, but my girlfriend likes it, but I don't know. It's kind of weird to me. This one's sweet right here too. Might as well just keep on rolling here. This one's not quite as low, no wheel well mods there, but kind of a modern twist. Got the whole rooftop tent thing going. Seen a lot of this here. The new Beetle wheels actually bolt right up on the bay window buses. Actually look pretty good on them. There's another one. I had this bus as my screensaver for about 5 years. What a masterpiece. It's got some air vents down there on the floor. Yeah. That's nice. I want that. Got this retarded. Panel bay. Oh, look at that steering wheel, nice.
What is panel bay? This one has it.
No windows. They named this one Morningwood. Turbo setup on here. Alright, here's that bug I saw earlier. Look at this thing. Got ball joint, or Heim joint A-arms. This thing's badass. Got the Ecotech 2.2 bus trans, big old shocks. Looks like it's moved back about 3 or 4 inches there off the out, probably 3x3 arms or 4x4 arms. This thing's sweet. Love it. It's caught my attention. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. That is freaking sweet. Wow. This is my new favorite. And they like welded in the
I think it makes it look nicer.
This is a sweet little single cab truck at the Safaris. What a truck. One of these guys with the supercharger on it. That looks sweet.
Hey, look at the wheels on both of these.
Yeah, look at the motor. They got it like wood grained.
Oh my god.
They got the little Safari window in the back oval too. Yeah, this motor's pretty sweet. Alright guys, I guess I have a thing for Vanagons. Look at this thing. Overlander style. Got all the rear racks back there. 4-wheel drive. It says 4-wheel drive, so it must be a synchro. Love it. That thing is so sweet. Got the jack up in the front.
Yeah, 4,000 miles. 4,000 miles later. 4 years later, I can bring lower and tires.
It's got motorcycle tires on the front. Sweet babe. Oh my gosh, just one after the other here. Look at this car, guys. Got the fat turbo hanging out there, intercooler. Real nice interior. Sweet. It's got to be on airbags or something because it's low as shit. Got the Patina thing going. Safari window. Nice. The wheel is tucked in there.
Never had one, but I love it.
And a nice bug.
Like last year, there were like a bunch of like professional guys that brought channel with like really high. There was one guy that brought a bug with a LS3 Corvette.
Alright, this is by far my favorite bug here at the show. This thing is sick. Beautiful interior. That's sick.
That's a good.
Air ride. Yeah, I love it. It's my favorite.
So we mainly do Euro, we kind of open it up. But you know what's funny is that
All right, we're at the bug jam here, guys. Check out this Baja bug. That thing is sweet. He's out there running on the track too. They got a dirt track over there set up. We'll show a little bit of that, but this thing is just set up. It's got a EcoBoost 4-cylinder in it. Big old king coils or something on it. It's A-arm front suspension. Nice.
Little Tom Petty for you.
It's all right.
All right. How about that weather today? We're grateful for